Today you will learn on which Esseferation pair is better to make money on the Australian dollar Swiss franc or the company on the Australian dollar Canadian dollar. I suggest to start. The first pair will be the Australian dollar Swiss franc. I will open trades on $500 and 1 minute go straight to the trading bot. I get a new signal and choose the Australian dollar Swiss franc. Expiry time 1 minute and get a buy signal. Well, right here I go right to the upside. I will put up 5-second candles to make it even more convenient to enter the trade. At the last moment, the deal closed in a minus, a very upsetting minus, but let's not get upset. The next deal again on the Australian dollar and Swiss franc. I get a new signal, choose this trading pair and the expiry time of 1 minute, and get a buy signal again. I wait for a new 5-second candle and on it I open a deal on the upside. I did not choose a very good entry point and that's why I got such an offensive minus at the very last moment. The second trade closes in plus and brings me $450. I go to the bot, get a new signal, choose again this pair and the expiry time of 1 minute and get again a buy signal. Okay, I wait for a new 5-second candlestick and open a deal on it to go up. Basically, yes, it's a good uptrend, so we can now expect further upward movement to the upside. Great, this trade closes also in plus. Total 2 deals in the plus, 1 in the minus, and this deal brings me another $450. That is, on the Australian dollar Swiss franc I generally made a good profit. Now I move on to the Australian Canadian dollar. Exactly the same 1 minute of expiration and $500 for one trade. I get a new signal, I choose out cat and time on the deal 1 minute and get a sell signal. I wait for a new candle and I open a sell on it. Super. The first deal closes in plus and also $455 I earn. I get a new signal, choose again this pair and the expiration time of 1 minute and again a sell signal. A good impulse has just occurred and right on this impulse I open a sell trade. As you can see, the complete opposite pair on one pair constantly went up and on the second pair now I go down. As you can see, because of such strong news, the deal closed in the negative. No big deal, I will open one more trade on this pair. I choose again a signal for 1 minute and get a sell signal. And right there I open a sell trade. As I said, the complete opposite of the two trading pairs. On one of them I was constantly going up and on the second one I am now going down. But the price movement was more pleasant on the Australian dollar and Swiss franc. But let's not jump to conclusions prematurely. Super, this trade still brings me $455. Total, I made $150,000 for this video. Be sure to write in the comments which pair you liked more. This was my personal comparison of these two pairs and I honestly liked the Australian dollar, Swiss franc a little more than the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, because the price moves more nicely here. So, if you have any questions, you can contact the support account, which will be located in the description and also in the attached comment, where you will be happy to help you and answer all your questions. That's all I have for today. I wish you a huge profit.